From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. A lot of people always want a white Christmas. Me particularly don't like snow. I'd rather it be warm. But if you are looking for a white Christmas, you're going to have to head well towards the north. We're not expecting any snow across the deep south for Christmas Day. I will say, though, tomorrow and Saturday, there will be some snow in the mountains of North Carolina. So if you do want to see some snow, head towards the north and west. Looking ahead a little bit, it's going to be a chilly Christmas Eve, and we do expect some rain Christmas Day. High temperatures cool on Christmas Eve. We'll say low 50s and then warming up into the upper 50s for daytime highs on Christmas Day. Here are the Christmas Day extremes, the warmest we've ever been, at least on record, 79, 1955. Single digits back in 1983. We did pick up over 3 inches of rain in 2009, and we've had a trace of snow a couple of times, but no measurable snowfall for Christmas Day at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, at least on record. On average, you wouldn't expect a white Christmas for most of the deep south. You have to go up towards the mountains of North Carolina, maybe the mountains of Virginia, really to find any kind of snow cover, at least on average. As we look ahead, December 26th through January 1st, we're expecting warmer than normal conditions. Yesterday was warmer than normal. We did manage to make it to 72 degrees at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. We did pick up 0.23 of an inch of rain. We had some showers and even a few rumbles of thunder. For today, the clouds will stick around. High temperatures in the low 60s, so that's still above average, but a little cooler than where we were yesterday. Notice our low temperature trend. Tomorrow morning lows in the mid 40s, but Saturday morning we'll say low 30s, mid to low 20s. Sunday and Monday morning, those low temperatures do begin to moderate just a little bit by Tuesday, probably in the upper 20s or so. But no records for today. The record high is 79. That was set back in 1967. The record low 14. We did get over an inch of rain, 1906, and back in 1901, one of these older records had a decent little snowstorm with an inch and a half of snow in Columbia. As you do move through the rest of your Thursday, we'll have some clouds out there. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, those clouds will start to decrease as this cooler and drier air starts to filter in. So if you do have those plans to be traveling across the southeast, it looks like things are relatively quiet. You see the snow in the mountains of North Carolina, as we'll have a little bit of a northwesterly flow and some cold air in place. But if you're traveling this evening, shouldn't have any issues. Friday morning, maybe a little bit of an issue with some fog in portions of South Georgia down towards Florida. For us here across the Carolinas, pretty quiet with the exceptions of the mountains of North Carolina where we are expecting that snow to impact that area. A little bit of a closer look at South Carolina. Clouds sticking around today. Clouds do move out by tomorrow as that colder and drier air does start to filter in across the Palmetto State. European forecast model showing a very small chance for rain in the PD and the eastern part of the Midlands tomorrow as that cold front moves through. As of now, we don't have rain in the forecast for tomorrow, but we do expect some rain to develop next week, possibly as early as Tuesday, but we're still keeping that chance for rain on Wednesday, which is Christmas Day at this point. But we'll have to kind of nail down the timing of that rain for next week. High temperatures today, we'll say upper 50s in Fairfield and Newberry counties, low 60s elsewhere, near 60 degrees tomorrow as the clouds do decrease. And Saturday is the winter solstice. It is going to be colder over the weekend. High temperatures mid 40s, Sunday upper 40s on Monday. We do have Sunday and Monday highlighted, at least the morning hours there, as lows will be dropping into the mid to low 20s. Temperatures do gradually moderate as we go into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But Sunday morning, we'll pull out the flannel forecast for you as these temperatures will be dropping into the mid 20s. So get ready for a cold start to your Sunday. Looking a little bit ahead, the day after Christmas, highs in the low 60s. We'll be in the low to mid 60s the Friday after Christmas, and then jumping ahead towards the following Saturday, temperatures in the mid 60s. So it is going to kind of gradually warm up once we get past this kind of cool snap over the weekend. Myrtle Beach, near 51 degrees Saturday, mid 40s on Sunday. Charleston, pretty chilly as well over the weekend. Next best chance rain comes in on Christmas Day. And in the upstate of South Carolina, upper 40s on Saturday, low 40s on Sunday. So it's going to be kind of chilly in the upstate. Slightly wetter than normal for a sliver of South Carolina. That would be December 26th through the first part of January. And the winter solstice we just mentioned, only 2 days away. Christmas day, 6 days away. You can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Thursday.